In this video we will learn how to install Java on Windows 10. With that we will also run a sample program. Let us start. Go to the web browser. On Google type Oracle Java and press enter. The official website is visible. Click on it. Here is the official website oracle.com. Click the download Java button. Here is the Java download section. Go below. And the current version is visible. Here it is. I want for Windows, so I'll click here. Here different files are visible for Windows. I'll go for the x64 installer, that is 183 MB, and click here. Now the download will start. Let's wait. We have downloaded the exe file. Right click and click open to begin the installation. Minimize. The Java setup started. Click next. Here the path is visible where Java will get installed. Keep it as it is and click next. Now Java will get installed. Let's wait. We have installed Java. Here it's written. Click close. Now let us set the path. Go to the location where we installed Java. It was in C drive, program files. Okay, and here it is Java. Double click JDK and double click bin. Copy this path, right click copy, minimize, go to start, type environment variables. Here click edit the system environment variables, that is the following. Click open. Let us set the path now. Go to advanced, click environment variables. Here under system variables, double click path. Click new and paste the same path. Right click paste. So we have pasted the path. Click OK. Now let us also set Java underscore home path. For that, under system variables, click new. Under variable name, mention Java underscore home. Okay, under variable value, paste the same path. Here it is. But here you need to remove bin. So let us remove it and click OK. Click OK again. And here click OK. That's it. We have installed Java. Let us verify. Go to start, type cmd. Click open. Type the command java -- version and press enter. Here it is. We successfully installed Java. Okay, the current version is visible. Now let us close this and run our first program. You can create a program anywhere. So let's say I'll go to E drive. You can create it anywhere. Here right click and click new. Click text document. Here mention demo. After that remove .txt and mention .java. That is the extension of a Java file. When you click or press enter, it will ask you to change the extension. Yes. Click yes. Now we have a Java file. Here it's also visible Java file. Okay. If your extensions are not visible, go to view. Click file name extensions and it will be visible. Okay. I have done the same. Now let us open our demo.java file. You can open it in Notepad++ or Notepad. A lot of people still don't have Notepad++, so I'll just open with Notepad. So you would be wondering what program we'll be typing. We will just print something. To get a sample program, go to my website studiopedia.com. Here go to this link, that is the following. We will also mention this link in the video description. From here copy my sample program. Okay, minimize and paste the same program. First things first, you need to change the class name. The class name should be equivalent to the file name, that is demo. It should be demo. In this case, because our file name is demo.java. Okay. And what we are doing here, we are printing Studiopedia Java tutorial and our first Java program. So whatever we will add inside this will get printed. Go to file, click save. Okay. Now go to start. Type cmd. Click open. Okay. Now you need to reach this path. We are in E drive, so I'll type E and press enter. When you will type dir, your file will be visible. That is demo.java. Okay. First we need to compile a Java program. type Java C, then the file name, that is demo.java. Press enter, and now you can see our class file will generate. Here it is, we just generated it and successfully compiled it. Now to run it, type Java and then type the file name. Press enter. We have printed study period Java tutorial and our first program, that is whatever I said, like this. For a free Java tutorial, do refer to our website Studiopedia. Here is our Java tutorial, a complete tutorial, completely free, and all these chapters are covered.